there, this is Aurora with Supercharged Science, and I wanted to show you really quick, because I know in about 30 minutes we're going to do a Facebook Live, but I wanted to show you a robot that I have from Tupperware. You want to see him go? And his name is Tuppy, and I made him probably 15 years ago, and it looks like he's following a black line that I drew. Actually, it's black electrical tape that's put on poster board. And he has a comparator circuit inside, which means he's constantly checking to see which side is lighter and which side is darker. And he's following a line, and you can see him here. Let's see what happens when he gets to another intersection. Whoops, looks like he got stuck on it. There you go. Isn't that cute? I'm going to talk about him. I'm going to talk about, we're actually going to talk about thermal chemistry today, as well as some other really cool science topics. But I just wanted to give you a little preview before we actually get started. You can see on the other side, he has two circuits, and depending on, so these are LEDs, these are white LEDs, and depending on which side, he can see, because the white light will come down and get reflected, and it reflects differently if it's on black versus if it's on white. And this little homemade circuit actually will tell the difference. See how one wheel is spinning and then the other wheel is spinning depending on which side I'm on. And the controls, so it just has two little motors here. I think I bought some surplus motors. And it has two settings, so he can do a black line on white paper or white line on black paper. And then he's got an on-off button as well. And so it's really cool to watch him go when the lights are all down. But this is an easy, fun experiment that kids can make when they're older after they've had some electronics training. This is not something we're going to be able to teach you how to do in just a few minutes, but I wanted to share with you something that is possible when kids really get going in science and have a good, solid science foundation. All right, so I will see you guys in probably about 30 minutes. Thanks so much.